Welcome. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. To begin, find a comfortable seat in your chair. If it feels safe for you today, go ahead and close your eyes. Just simply arrive in your space and begin to follow the feeling of your breath. Know that it isn't always an option to keep the eyes open, just letting the gaze soften and just focus a bit downward. There's no need to hold yourself stiffly. We simply want a posture that is relaxed but alert. You might imagine a gentle string pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling, lengthening your spine while your shoulders drop away from your ears. Plant your feet firmly on the floor, feeling that connection to the ground beneath you. And let's just shift gears from the doing of the day so far into being mode of these few moments together. Now bring your full attention to the breath. We aren't trying to change it or force anything. Just notice the air as it arrives, and notice the air as it leaves. Feel the sensation of the breath at the tip of your nose, or perhaps the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. This breath is your anchor, your home base. It is always happening right now in the present. And if your mind should wander today, and it likely will, that's perfectly normal. Just kindly escort your attention back to this simple anchor, the breath in, the breath out. Today we are exploring the concept of enough. We are approaching a season that often feels rushed, loud, and full of messages telling us we need more. More things, more preparations, more activity. It is easy for the mind to get pulled into the future, worrying about what we need to buy or need to achieve. But for our time together, we are doing the opposite. We are grounding ourselves in what is already here. We are turning our attention from what is lacking to what is already present. To help us settle into this feeling, we'll use a very simple mantra, a tool to give the mind a job so it can relax. On your next inhale, I want you to silently think the word here. And on your exhale, silently think the word enough. Inhaling here, exhaling enough. Here reminds us that we are present in this room, in this chair, safe and supported. Enough reminds us that in this very second, there is nothing else you need to do and nothing else you need to be. Just stay with that mantra for a few moments. Inhale here, exhale enough. Inhale here, exhale enough. And now letting the mantra fade into the background, an image for you. Bring to mind your favorite room in your home, or perhaps just a small corner where you feel most at ease. See it clearly, the light, the furniture, the colors. In this season of wanting new things, we are going to offer gratitude to the old things, the faithful objects that serve us every day. Look around this visualized space. First, identify something that provides you warmth or comfort. Maybe it's a kettle that boils water for your tea every morning. Maybe it's a thick pair of wool socks or a reliable lamp that lights your page when you read. Locate that item in your mind. Notice its details. Is it worn? Is it shiny? Now mentally offer a thank you to this object. It asks for nothing, yet it provides for you. Next, look for something else in this space that offers utility. Something you usually overlook because it just works. A sturdy chair, a warm blanket, the walls that keep the wind out. Recognize that your life is already full of these quiet helpers. You are supported by your environment. Let a feeling of gratitude rise up for these simple things. You possess so much already. And now let the image of your room fade and bring your attention back to your own body, seated here in the chair. We have acknowledged that your outer world has enough. Now let's acknowledge that your inner world has enough too. Visualize in the center of your chest a warm golden light. Imagine this light represents a sense of completeness. It is the feeling of having nowhere to go, nothing to buy. With every inhale, imagine this light growing slightly brighter and warmer. With every exhale, imagine this light expanding to fill your chest, your shoulders, and your belly. This is the light of contentment. Sometimes the world feels like a cold wind of wanting or lacking. Visualize this golden light pushing that cold wind away. You are full. You are whole. Just rest in this sensation right now, in this moment. Nothing is lacking. As you sit with this feeling of fullness, paying attention to the simple reality of being here, I'd like to share a poem. This is by Irish-American writer and poet David Whyte. It's titled, "Everything is Waiting for You," and it comes from his anthology by the same name. Everything is waiting for you. Your great mistake is to act the drama as if you were alone. As if life were a progressive and cunning crime with no witness to the tiny hidden transgressions. To feel abandoned is to deny the intimacy of your surroundings. Surely even you, at times, have felt the grand array, the swelling presence, and the chorus, crowding out your solo voice. You must note the way the soap dish enables you, or the window latch grants you freedom. Alertness is the hidden discipline of familiarity. The stairs are your mentor of things to come. The doors have always been there to frighten you and invite you. And the tiny speaker in the phone is your dream ladder to divinity. Put down the weight of your aloneness and ease into the conversation. The kettle is singing even as it pours you a drink. The cooking pots have left their arrogant aloofness and seen the good in you at last. All the birds and creatures of the world are unutterably themselves. Everything is waiting for you. Let the images from the poem settle in your heart. The soap dish, the window latch, the singing kettle. Let's cement this feeling of enoughness with a few affirmations. You can say them silently to yourself, letting the words sink in like water into dry earth. I have everything I need in this present moment. I have everything I need in this present moment. I choose to focus on what I have rather than what I lack. I choose to focus on what I have rather than what I lack. My peace is not found in things, but within myself. My peace is not found in things, but within myself. I am grateful for the simple comforts that support my life. I am grateful for the simple comforts that support my life. There is nothing I need to chase. I am already here. There is nothing I need to chase. I am already here. Last and simple. I am enough. I am enough. Pause for a few moments, just giving the mind a chance to integrate any insights that may have bubbled up today. And now let go of the images, let go of the affirmations, and just return to the simple sensation of your body in the chair. Feel the weight of your feet on the floor. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow sigh out. And know that you can return to this sense of enough anytime you wish, simply by inhaling here and exhaling enough. Now doing whatever feels natural to you to transition out of practice and back to your day. And then when you're ready, opening the eyes back up. Thank you for your practice today. Namaste.